The Arabian horse is admired worldwide for its graceful beauty. Living in desert landscapes, it runs with incredible speed and stamina. Its curved neck, strong body, and expressive eyes make it look like a creature from a legend. Loyal and gentle, the Arabian horse forms deep bonds with humans and has been a trusted companion for centuries.